In this video, I will show you how to find all my TikTok watch history. So the steps are so simple to follow. Just make sure to watch the video to the end, you don't make any mistake. After you open your TikTok like this, as you can see now, tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open your menu, now go to this settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, now scroll to down and tap on this section. As you can see now, scroll to down, go to this activity center, this one, activity center. After you open the activity center now, all you have to do now, tap on this section, the first one which checks watch history, the first option, watch history, tap on it. So as you can see now here is all your watch history on TikTok. As you can see now, here all are the videos that you watch on your TikTok account. As you can see now you can be able to see all the watch history on TikTok. Here is all the videos I watch on my TikTok account. That's it, guys. Now you can go ahead and watch the video again, or if you want to delete the video, all you have to do now, long press your hand on the video if you want to delete it. After you long press your hand on the video, now tap on this delete button, tap on this delete again. So as you can see now it will delete the video from the list of your watch history. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys.